Storm Door Guy here, and if you're watching this video, you've got a question about whether or not you need one or two door closers for your storm door. And the answer is depending on the brand or the style or the model that you get. Some storm doors come with two closers, others just come with one. Do you need two door closers? No, you don't need two door closers. One is sufficient for most applications. The reason you get two door closers is one, it's a marketing thing because you get two instead of one. The other thing is that it helps the door close a little smoother. It doesn't put all of the force on one closer, so you might get some longer life out of each individual closer because there's not so much pressure on both. But the short answer is you don't need two door closers. One will suffice. If you have one door closer, the best option is to put it at the top of your door so it's out of the way. Unless you have a button on the closer, then it's a tap and hold closer, and that one always goes at the bottom of the door. So if you have one closer, put it at the top. Normally, if you have two, obviously one goes at the top and one goes at the bottom. Now, if you have a Larson Tradewinds model, then you will get two closers, and depending on your area that you live in, if you have a lot of high wind, you might want to leave the top closer off and instead install a wind chain. So if you get a strong wind, it doesn't just try to take the door off of your house. That's just something to consider. But anyway, for all intents and purposes, you don't need two door closers on a storm door. One will be just fine. And if you have any other questions or comments or concerns about storm doors, I invite you to check out and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's the little @ Storm Door Guy. Or you can find us online at stormdoorguy.com. And if you have any other comments or questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I read them and respond as quickly as I can. Enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching.